Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and fit. Children, you all are welcome to our virtual class 1. Our subject is English. Topic number 7 Bits of Paper. So, children, as you can see, today we are going to study our poem of English, that is Bits of Paper. Children, this poem is very interesting and this poem is all about cleanliness. Yes. So, children, are you ready? Okay. Open everyone page number 61. As you can see on page number 61, warm up. Look at the two pictures, then answer the questions. Children, on page number 61, we can see two pictures have given here. Yes, now we have to look this picture. We have to observe these pictures and we have to give the answer of the questions which has given on this page number. Yes, so children, as you can see in picture A and picture B. Yes, what you can see in picture A and picture B? What is the difference in both the pictures? So children, the difference is that the one picture is neat and clean. Yes, which one is this? B. And picture A is not a clean, it is a dirty. Yes, picture A is a dirty. Yes, we can see everything is not on their place. Yes, as we can see toy on the floor. Yes, paper on the floor. Lying on the floor we can see. Then the wall are drawn. Yes, but in picture B we can see neat and clean. Picture B is neat and clean. Everything is on their places. Yes, as we can see toy, as we can see lamp, we can see flower pot. Yes, children. So that is the difference in picture A and picture B. Yes, picture A is not a clean, but picture B is clean, neat and tidy. Getting? So children, questions are here. Number 1. Now we have observed the picture. The question 1 is that which one of the two pictures do you like? Why? So children, we have observed both the pictures. So which one of the two picture do you like? So obviously we like second picture, picture B, because we always like neat and clean. Yes, we always like to see neat and clean things. Yes, tidy things. It also look good. We feel fresh. So picture B is, the answer is picture B. Then second, do you like what you see in picture A? Why or why not? So children, do you like what you see in picture A? In picture A, what you see in picture A, do you like it? Or why not? So we will see this with picture, as our question is, do you like what you see in picture A? Why or why not? Picture A is not neat, clean, yes, and tidy. We can see flower pot has fallen. Yes, then papers are on the floor. Yes, toys we can see lying on the floor. Yes, lamp and nature picture as we can see on the wall, not a straight. Then walls are drawn. Yes, so children, it doesn't look good. So that's why we don't like this. We always like clean, neat, and tidy things and rooms also. Yes, children. So Do you like what you see in picture A? Why or why not? So children, we don't like picture A. Yes, the things are not on their places. Getting? Number 3, what would you do to set it right? So now we have seen picture A. We don't like this just because that this is not a clean, neat, dirty room. Yes. So what would you do to set it right? So first of all, we will uh, clean our room, clean that picture A. Yes. Then we will keep the things on their particular places like picture B. Yes. So in this way, we will set the things. Yes, we will keep the things on their particular places. Getting children? Now reading, as you can see this on page number 62. Hope you have opened page number 62. Read this poem about bits of paper lying on the floor. You can sing it like a song. Children, as I told you at the starting that this poem is very interesting. Yes, now we are going to sing this poem. Yes, read this poem about bits of paper lying on the floor. You can sing it like a song. So children, are you ready to sing it? Yes. So children, try to sing with me. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the place untidy, make the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Is it interesting, no, children? Did you like it? Yes. So, shall we again sing this poem? Okay. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the place untidy, make the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Children, in this rhythm and intonation, you have to also sing this poem. Yes. So, children, now as we have sing this poem, so children, in that poem we can see one picture is also there. Yes, this is a boy. Now what he is doing? He is cleaning the room. Yes. Now I am going to explain this one by one. Yes. First of all, we will see first 4 lines. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. So children, now here we are looking explanation of this poem. Children, what is I mean by bits? Bits, it means small pieces. Bits, it means small pieces of what? Bits of paper. It means small pieces of paper. Yes, as you can see in the picture. Yes, small pieces of paper. Lying on the floor. It means lying, it means what, children? Resting somewhere in a flat position. As we have seen in picture A. Yes, bits of paper lying on the floor. Yes, it rested in flat position. Yes, so lying it means resting somewhere in a flat position. So bits of paper, it means small pieces of paper. Yes, resting on the floor. Yes, small pieces of paper resting on the floor in flat position. Yes, hope you are getting, children. Make the place untidy, make the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. As we have seen first 4 lines. So bits of paper, it means small pieces of papers lying on the floor. Yes, resting in flat position on the floor. That is why what happened? it makes the place untidy. Untidy, it means what, children? Dirty, as we have seen in picture A. Yes, so that is why that bits of paper makes the place untidy. Bits of paper that lying on the floor, because of that it make it makes the place untidy. It means dirty, make our place dirty. So what we have to do, children? Pick them up, it means lift the fallen things, lift the fallen paper. Yes, we have to clean it. Yes, pick them up, it means lift fallen, which is fallen on the surface. Yes, lift which is fallen on the surface. So which is fallen on the surface or which is fallen on the floor? Yes, bits of paper. So what we will do? Lift it. Yes, we will clean it. So children, in this way we have sing this poem, and we also learn this poem. Yes, studied this poem. So is it interesting, no, children? Yes, hope you got it. Now we are looking fact file. Yes, as you can see this on page number 62. It is good to keep oneself clean. Yes, what I told you at the starting, that this poem is all about cleanliness. So it is good to keep oneself clean. Yes, it is always good that keep oneself clean. Yes, we must go to bed on time and wake up early. Children, we must go to bed early and wake up early. Yes, if you will go to bed early, then you will wake up early. So, we should go to bed on time and wake up on time also. Yes, so it is a good to keep ourselves clean. It is a good habit. Yes. Number 3, we must brush our teeth twice a day, in the morning and at night. So children, this is also this one is also about cleanliness. Yes. So what we have to do? We have to brush our teeth twice in a day. Yes, two times, in the morning and at night. So in one day we have to brush our teeth. Yes, so it is a good for our health. It is a good. Yes, it shows the cleanliness. Yes, children. Now, as we are learning about cleanliness, yes, fact file. So we must brush twice in a day. Yes, in the morning and at night. We must bathe daily and wear clean clothes. So, children, this is also about cleanliness. Yes, so we must bathe daily. Children, we have to take a bath every day, daily, and also we should wear clean clothes. Yes, clean clothes. That is why you look you look smart. Yes, children, and also it it is all about cleanliness. Yes, children, we must bathe daily and wear clean clothes. We must wash our hands before and after having food. Children, this one is also very important, that we have to wash our hands before and after having food. Before having food and after having food, what we have to do? We have to wash our hands properly. Yes. So children, these all are good habits, all about cleanliness. Yes. So we should wash our hands properly before and after having food. We should brush our teeth twice in a day. We should take bath daily. Yes, children. So if you are doing this all thing, so very good, children. So children, in this way we learned this poem. Yes, hope you got that very well, children. Yes. So children, what you have to do now? I am going to give you PH. Yes. So what is your PH? You have to sing this poem. Yes, in proper rhythm and intonation, and you have to make 2 minutes video clip and you have to send it on WhatsApp. So children, this is your PH. Go through it and take care. So children, till then, thank you.